West Ham have made Alex Sandro their top January target. Transfer value reported at £26 million. Could he be the defensive upgrade they need? Alex Sandro, 26, is a Lille defender known for his composure on the ball and progressive passing. He joined Lille in 2022 and has become a regular starter. He's also attracted wider attention after strong performances in League One. Multiple reports put his price at about £26 million. Transfer profiles show he's contracted to Lille until 2028. That gives Lille leverage and means West Ham would likely have to meet the club's demands. He'd bring ball progression from the back and aerial presence, traits that help control transitions and protect the defense in the Premier League. For West Ham, he's a realistic upgrade without paying elite fees. Competition from other clubs, Lille's negotiating stance, and the January time window. Any deal could move fast or stall.